YouTube. I did a thing. I did another thing. This time I got it rigged up to a temporary boat just to see, because it's not really about the boat. It's about this this unit right here. I've got a I suppose that'd be a 4-to-1. I keep on wanting to get the ratio numbers mixed up, like saying 1-to-4. Either way, yeah. Every time that final pulley gets wrapped around once, the propeller spins 4 times. Probably overgeared it. It's not very fast, but it runs for a little while. Maybe I can get that on film for y'all. All right. So. I should have done this off camera for y'all. Takes a second. And really, I probably could put more rubber bands on this, but I have different ideas for the gearbox. And I did have a different piece that fit right back here to make the whole unit hydrodynamic. I don't know if I'm going to edit this design or just create another new one. I'll probably edit this one. I'll put a little bit more effort than I usually do into this one. I haven't broken a rubber band yet, but it might happen for y'all here. I don't know. I'm not going to push any further than what I usually do. But still, I've been pushing it pretty hard. Hey. Alright, it's starting to make noises I don't like. So, there it is. Oh, I hope I can get it around the tub here. See, not very fast at all. It's still running slowly. Oh, need a little assistance, buddy. It's all right. There's that. Oh, let me get you the cover piece. 1 second. So yeah, here's the back piece of that. It covers the gears up. But I screwed up on the design. Tried drilling a hole, it still ended up being problematic. So, whatever. Yeah. I'm fairly pleased with that. Definitely stuff I can learn off of it. So when I do make one for the pool, it'll go all right.